the Senate Standing Committee on Finance and Budget on routine programs of oversight across county governments. And today, since yesterday, we are here in Kisii County in follow-up to issues that were raised by the Senator of Kisii County regarding pending bills and other allegations that was shared, through by way of statement to the committee. We've had this engagement since 2023, back and forth. We are at the tail end of that engagement. We've managed to engage with the county executive here today, and we finished with them now. Ours is as a committee of the Senate of the Republic of Kenya. We do not get involved in politics at any, within any county that we visit. And we don't further anybody's political cause. Not a senator, not a governor, not a member of parliament. When we go with decorum to execute the mandate that is before the Senate. And we don't fit into anybody's expectation with respect to as to which side of political fit in terms of the political dynamics in a given county that we need to fit in. We have done what we are mandated to do as professionally as possible. Other issues surrounding events within the county that is political are issues that is not within our purview, and we do not intend to be pulled into them. Individuals have their prerogative to make a decision in regards to what they will interpret as they see fit. But as far as the committee of the Senate is concerned, and as I, as the chair of this committee, have made it extremely clear repeatedly that when we visit any county government, and we visited so many counties, we visited Kakamega, we visited Kitui, we visited Migori, we visited Kisii, other committees of the Senate have visited various counties on the oversight mandate. And when we go to these counties, our responsibility is limited to executing the purpose that brought us to that county. And we have zero interest with respect to whatever that is ongoing politically between people and between leaders, and whether those leaders become senators or members of parliament or governors. Ours is limited to the task that brought us here, and unfortunately, sometimes maybe one person or the other may feel that the committee should be aligned to their political cause. Unfortunately, we are not. And we say, thank you very much. That mandate we've executed, and very well, and we want to thank the people of Kisii for their warm welcome, and urge the political leaders, they have many other avenues to sort out their political differences, not within this committee. Thank you very much.